Hey Riches Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I put screening up on my balcony. This is super easy. It took less than an hour to do. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. You already know, if you haven't subscribed to your girl, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and don't forget to like and comment below. Let's get right into the video. First thing you want to do is go ahead and measure the balcony. So I'm going to measure it this way. I had already measured it, but I just want to show you. So this is 63 by 58. So you want to measure it so you know when you go to Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever you decide to get your screening, where the measurements that you need, okay? So you don't want to be like me. I have bought one. I did not take the measurements like an idiot, and yeah, so I'm stuck with a tiny screening and I have to go back for a bigger one. Don't be like me. Hey guys, I am back at Home Depot like an idiot. I forgot to take the measurements of the balcony. So I went home and I took the measurements and I am about to get this one right here. I think one will do it because as you can see, it is 60 inches by 25 and I need 60 inches. So yeah, this is perfect actually. So yep, let's go back home and put this together. All right, everyone, this is the materials that you're going to need for the screening. Of course, you're going to need the screening, and I got 60 inches by 25 feet. Also, you're going to need the staple gun, the staples, of course, don't forget the staples, the measuring tape. Yeah, don't forget the measuring tape. Yeah, please don't. And also scissors or a sharp cutting tool. So, all right, let's get started. Wait, actually, if you're short like your girl, you're going to need a footstool. So now let's get started. So first things first, of course, you're going to take it out of the bag, and then we're going to see how much we need. So I'm just going to do it right here to see the blank, how much I need. And then I'm going to cut it. Try cut it as straight as possible. And if you can't cut it as straight as possible, try to at least cut extra just in case. And then now we're going to start. So we're going to start from up there, which we left out. I am too short. I think I might let my sister come help me. I feel like a midget right now. So, what you want to do is go ahead and cut off all the excess fabric. Remember, I purposely made it bigger than I needed, just to be on the safe side. So, any extra piece, go ahead and cut that off. And then I know I did some big gaps, just like some big gaps, and that's only because I needed to hold it in place. Now I'm gonna go back in and make it more secure. Of course, this side right here, I don't feel like it's tight enough, so I'm gonna go and fix that. And yeah, I'm gonna go do the other sides, and I'll show you guys what I was doing on the other side. So to make things easier for you, if you have somebody that can help you, go ahead and accept that help. Because struggling. And you guys know I'm very tiny. Alright, so I'm going to continue doing this. I had her help me with the top so I can do the rest by myself because she has other things to do. So you guys, as you can tell, this is the last one. And I'm so happy because I am so tired. This project is super easy. Honestly, I looked at the time, it's 12:50 and I started a little after 12. So it didn't even take me an hour to do this. And mind you, I'm filming, so I have to stop, film, go back and forth. So this is super easy, super fast. I suggest you do this if you live in an area that there's a lot of mosquitoes, flies, and green things flying, because they will get in your house. And if you're anything like me, I don't like bugs. I don't want to see them. I don't want to hear them. I don't like bugs. So I'm not trying to have no weird look. Look, look, look. I don't know if y'all can see it. Look. Oh my God. Get y'all screaming on your balcony. Oh my goodness, that was too funny. Just, I don't want no unexpected visits by any insects or animals, so I decided to do the screening. So, you guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. I will show you guys a whole view of what I did. I have plenty more home decors and home improvement videos that I'm going to do, and you guys are going to love it. I can't wait to get started. Look, you saw him fly again? So you just want to clean off the excess fabric where it can look nicer, when you have guests over. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but you can see the edges of where I put the screening. But as you can see over here, I'm gonna fix it. But this is the finished look, you guys. So this is pretty cute. I like it, and it creates a lot of shade. This is what I was telling you guys. I'm over here in the bushes, the trees, whatever, the shit, the jungle, the forest. So yeah, I definitely needed this, and it's much cooler. I don't have to worry about all these extra bugs coming down my balcony, and I will be transforming this into something else, my balcony. So stay tuned. Like I said, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you know what I'll be turning this into, and don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. I love you guys so much, Riches Gang. Bye, you guys. Mwah.